In this video, I will show you how to place your video in text in Premiere Pro. So, write your text at the beginning. Make the text size a little bigger. Click on the window menu. Click on Effect and then click on the Video Effect folder. Click on Keying. Drag and drop the Track Matte Key effect on your video. And then go to the Track Matte Key section. Click on the Matte drop-down box. Select your text from here. Video 2 is my text track. So I am selecting video 2. Now you can see the video playing inside the text. Thanks for watching the video.